Good day viewers, welcome back to Earth Defense Force Iron Rain for the Blade.
Dragonfang here.
Now we're here at Tower of Doom, Mission 37. So, let's go!
Here we go.
Force lagging.
Some aggressive stragglers were spotted in this area. Exterminate.
Roger that. Let's go.
So far away.
Yes, Captain.
There's two of them, I think. Look at the map.
Got another one of those towers.
Yeah, I have to break it. Don't get too close. The game become laggy if you get too close when you destroy it.
I'll shoot from here. I can reach.
I have been reaching it.
I don't know if we're reaching it or not. Not sure.
How's that? That reach?
That reach!
Mike.
Our main forces are destroyed. There's more and more larvae every day, and nothing can damage Rasmus. Mike, I know how you feel, but we can't just stop fighting.
We're all tired from this long war. But your squad mates are looking up to you. Your people trust you with their lives. Keep your chin up.
We have to stop that.
Incoming. Programs?
Fire in their nest. Keep attacking. The nest
Fire
is
at the
about to
nest.
collapse.
It's about to collapse, it said. I'm moving away because I'm lagging. What was that? Huh?
Fight like that.
Wait, what?
Oh, what? I didn't hear anything.
Enemies incoming.
Oh, there's another one over here. Whoa! Flying ants!
Destroy the net!
Turn the way!
I'll use my rocket launcher. Can you give me some provide cover?
I'll do what I can.
Hello, may I have your attention for a moment? This is Mangold. Upon researching the lava body tissue, we discovered something astonishing. It only
Destroy the
has
nest.
one
Give me a
pair
minute,
of
I'm still reloading.
chromosomes. It's a complete design with no extraneous base sequence.
Incoming!
This means the organism has no
Woo!
need for any further evolution.
Almost there. Keep it
What's
tight.
more astonishing,
Oh, a blue one!
out of plastic, which has a different appearance. Everything about it defies common sense.
I'm reloading my two weapons. So I need time.
Those blue giant things.
Hey, let's destroy.
Alright then. Good work.
Weapon we took from them.
Took from them. You don't mean...
That's right, the Hydrax main cannon. We call it the Hexaquark cannon. If provided with enough power, the Hexaquark cannon should be capable of obliterating Rasmus.
But...
There's a
can
lot
we
back
really
there.
make that weapon?
We already have. We collected part of the
Beetle.
Hydrax main cannon 7 years ago. It was covertly repaired and was sold onto the media flagship.
They look like rhino beetles.
Flagship for
Rhino
me?
beetles?
I never knew.
They have a horn like a rhino. Oh, that thing can jump?
Of course they can jump.
Uh-oh. I'm in danger. Can you get the big one?
What big one?
The blue flame big one.
Oh, I got it. Hey, running away from me.
Ah! This year I'm gonna get hit. Know how to dodge.
Down. There's
still
another
more,
one.
There's still more of them.
I think there's another one.
Can you handle the last one?
It's a little far away.
These bastards are really pissing me off.
Where's the other one?
Look at the map.
I'm looking at the map, but oh, one more rhino beetle. Problem subdued.
That wasn't that difficult.
Wasn't.
Quite easy, yeah.
All nearby larvae destroyed.
Larry?
Good work, Blast Leader. I would like to discuss your next mission. In order to operate Rabida, I want your team to attack the Rebellion's HQ and collect the energy gems they've stolen.
You want us to siege it?
Yes, it's a top secret mission, no written order. Initiating an attack on other humans, even terrorists, is frowned upon by some sponsors.
I hit myself.
Sponsors.
I trust you can complete
Just
this
break the
mission.
houses.
So we're attacking the rebellions again.
Charge!
So we're attacking the rebels again. Humans against humans on this one.
Yeah.
They say the pollution level improved by 16.4 points in the last 10 years.
Well, yeah. Since the aggressors invaded, no power centers or factories have been in use.
Makes me wonder which is worse for the Earth, them or us.
Wish I could laugh at that.
New shotgun. Halo beam.
Off record? Where is that?
No tanks allowed though.
Really? Oh, you're right. No tanks allowed. Go.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Arriving in area D01. So they moved the HQ here. Look! It's that turtle!
Turtle?
They're attacking the rebellion? It doesn't look like they're sending any backup from the base. What do we do, Cap?
Why aren't they sending backup?
Eliminate rebellion. Eliminate the rebellion. What about the turtles?
Our chance to take down the aggressors and the rebellion. Deploy lightning.
I know this is kind of weird for me to say, but it's a big order. Take care of the turtle
There's a
instead.
Megaton turtle here.
Wait. Aim from above.
Aim from above. Oh, come on.
I think it's some scrap.
Please help us. Isn't this your base? Why don't you send out any backup? Oh, it's Blast Team.
I'll take care of the turtle. You take care of the flying things.
All right then.
Refugees from areas the EDF has given up on. What's on your chest? That weapon's got Pfizer too. Please, help us.
5 minutes remaining.
You have to take them out?
Take him out or...
We can't retreat while these people are under attack. That's what the EDF's all about. All right, target the harvesters. Rescuers capture rebellion soldiers.
Roger. Come on, Mike. Let's go.
All right, fine.
Change of orders.
What do you mean?
I will provide support.
We need to take care of this thing. Limit all aggressors. Hey, where are you?
Don't grab me.
Ah,
Are you done with the flying thing?
they keep spawning back.
I can use the backup though.
4 minutes remaining.
We have to wait for a time to run out?
No, we have to eliminate before the time runs out.
It's kinda hard. at the flying thing. Like I said, I'll take to the turtles.
Or are there more flying things?
Not good, not good. Don't hit me.
Hornet!
More of you? Hey, I thought I destroyed you.
Hey, our time increased though.
Yeah, 7 minutes, like it said. Look at the flying thing.
I think, are we?
Another one?
They're too high up for me to reach.
Not for me.
That one has a booster.
I didn't even fly. Oh, the time disappeared.
Oh, mission complete.
That wasn't that difficult.
It wasn't.
Aggressor signals in the mission area are gone. We did it. Lightning Leader, target has already been taken down. Please abort mission and return to base.
This is Lightning Leader. Roger that. Mission aborted. Heading home. Roger that.
We did it.
It wasn't really that difficult at all.
Adele told me everything. I know you saved us. I speak for the entire
Oh, look at
rebellion
that.
when I say
Can you make it?
thank
I don't
you.
think I can.
Whatever the EDF leaves behind
Oh, you
is
made
good
it.
enough for us.
We made it. Oh, we missed one.
Oh, I missed one.
Not bad.
Can't panic about the time though.
This is UNN, Universal News Network. An official statement was released by the EDF main headquarters. The EDF has signed a treaty accepting a ceasefire with the terrorist group, the Kindred Rebellion, who were mainly active in North America. The EDF also announced a joint mission with the rebellion to exterminate the
One
mega
life
giant
resolved.
creature Raznid, thought to be the mother of larvae that have been threatening various locations around the world. Universal News Network, signing off.
Ceasefire? Now that's a surprise.
Not necessarily. Humans should not be fighting each other at a time like this. The longer we fought, the harder it became to set aside our differences. We were both just waiting for a good reason to...
Oh, Captain.
Okay. Oh, we just walked through here. I mean, run. Explore.
Explore surroundings.
Hey, look, there's
Transmitting
some.
message from the commander in
Any
chief.
gems?
1 moment, please.
Uh-oh. Guess he ain't happy with what we did before.
What? They're already down.
Got a bad feeling about this
Somebody
place.
there must have took them down or something.
Last leader, this is Commander Campbell. Why didn't you retreat as ordered back there? Insubordination is a serious crime. You may face a court-martial.
I accept all responsibility. Captain.
After that fight, Rebellion leader Gideon extended a ceasefire. On condition that the Rebellion returns all resources taken from the EDF and all energy gems they collected on their own.
No more gems.
I always thought that the only way for the EDF to survive was to defeat the Rebellion. As a result of your actions, however, they've changed. I have much to learn after
that
these
a spy
turn
bot?
events. Thank you for opening my eyes.
Commander.
However, you still violated orders. All members of Blast Team will be fined 1 month's salary.
Oh, come on.
1 month's salary. Wow. That harsh? Huh?
Earthquake!
They've become frequent lately.
You're right.
I almost blew your brains out when it hit during our rescue mission.
Sheesh. You know,
What
you
was
really
that?
scare me sometimes, Brenda.
As if you have anything valuable in there.
What was that?
What the?
I think I saw
Hey,
something.
what's that green
What is
gas?
this green gas?
No, this just can't be. Aggressor signals have been restored?
Are
What?
you saying the giant creatures have come back to life?
Oh yeah, they did.
Yeah, they did.
Explanations.
Let's take him down again.
Engage them now.
Something did start moving again. Is it a parasite? Bacteria? It isn't head
I'm
up.
thinking of zombie aggressors.
Now this is a truly fascinating
How did
specimen.
they come back to life?
The green gas.
Close one. Ugh! I appreciate we just back up here.
The hell's the deal with these things?
Now what's going on?
What are they?
More zombie aggressors.
I can't explain
Left
why,
and right.
but somehow, the green gas is producing the same reaction as that plasma that was released by the Hivecraft.
Plasma. You mean that green control gas they were using to manipulate Raznet?
It would appear so. The gas providing the creature
Whoa!
has the same composition as that
You
plasma.
guys are twins.
So the Hivecraft has the ability to bring back the dead.
Hive crab? I thought we were taking care of the hive crab.
We already taking care of the high crab. Some of the high crab remnant must have been here. Whoa!
Need some hand here.
I'm handling the other side.
Oh, okay. Then I'll handle this side.
Giant creature on the radar.
Giant creature?
There's more of that green gas. Watch out!
Ah!
Behind me?
How is this even happening? Let's just hope they don't reanimate dead humans.
Scorpion!
Look, I can't see anything. There's one up there. Oh, that wasn't that difficult.
All aggressor signals are gone. The gas is gone too.
Did we finally get him?
I never expect them to be coming back to
anyone seen
life.
Mike? I can't find him anywhere.
He appears to be hiding at the very edge of the mission area.
I told you. I hate ghosts.
Well, those are exactly ghosts. They're zombie aggressors to me.
Yeah, because they're coming back to
I tell
life.
you, boys, work is hell.
Hey!
Haha.
With caution.
Ow!
Together now.
Mike was hiding. He's scared of ghosts.
I told you, I hate ghosts.
This is UNN, Universal News Network. After its treaty with the Kindred Rebellion, the EDF announced an expansion of its defense areas. The Kindred Rebellion was started 5 years ago, when some former EDF members moved for independence in protest to the EDF setting defense priority levels. Since then, the Kindred Rebellion has been fighting aggressors in water level D areas, where the EDF was not launching any defense missions. EDF North American Branch Commander-in-Chief Renaud Campbell has promised the Kindred Rebellion that they will deploy forces to the so-called D areas. Universal News Network, signing off.
Well, that agreement was quick.
That's how much defending D areas means to the rebellion.
Guess those folks have something to protect, too.
A common goal.
Mission 40.
Using the
Here
energy
we are.
gems provided by the rebellion, flagship for Beta is being reinforced in
Eliminate all
preparation to
aggressors.
defeat Raznet.
You know, I can see that in the Aggressor all the
We
time.
don't have anywhere near enough energy gems.
That the reason
Let's continue as planned
or
with the collection of energy
the
gems.
Ow! Don't shoot me! You're pushing me to them!
Oh, am I?
Yes! Don't shoot me! You can shoot me once the mission's over!
You seriously don't know? After the exhaustive battle 7 years ago, the EDF lacks the resources to defend the entire planet.
Whoa!
There's lots of sponsors in order to
There's
rebuild
a lot of
the
them.
As a result, the defense priority level system was created to protect the areas important to the sponsors.
The areas that didn't receive our protection. The level D areas.
Once flagship Romina is ready, we should be able to expand the EDF defense perimeter.
Wow, they're going all over the place.
What? Giving up already?
Can you even say the word give up? Can I say it?
What? I thought you are. Hey, don't shoot me, I said!
I didn't shoot you!
You just did! You did it again!
Signal on the radar.
Ah!
What?
More!
Not only that, signals from above.
Above?
Above.
Oh no.
No one else flying things.
Well, those are our enemies. Wait, what? Wait, what?
What is it?
The others are going down. Whoa! They're also robots!
Oh, the jumping robots!
You take care of the flying thing, I'll take care of the robots. Yeah, the jumping robots, they jump again. Hey, get out of here. Whoa, it's closing, it's closing.
Can we back up this thing?
This area is already surrounded by enemies.
It's one of their ruses.
Whoa, more robots!
Take care of them!
But they're quite far away. I'll go to them.
Sorry for the wait. Civilian backup.
Liza, you've recovered already?
What?
That's a
What?
The rebellion came to help?
Let's go, Blast Team.
What was the good thing they
Have
did?
to get used to this team. It is often said, yesterday's enemies are today's.
Yeah, got it. Looks like you haven't changed one bit, Takuma. Our families are hiding back here. Don't let a single one through.
What's the matter? Oh!
There are too many robots, I had to do it!
Not like I blame you or anything.
I'll take care of the rest. That one's mine.
You know, there are more silver ants in the ground, right?
There more what?
Silver ants in the ground.
I'm taking care of the flying thing.
No, I just want to let you know.
Where are the teams?
I don't know, maybe separated. Why do you need to use it for?
Because those flying things are so annoying.
There's one more enemy. You missed one.
Where'd it go?
There
Got
you
it.
go. It was running towards me.
Go to gems.
3, 2, 1.
All enemies annihilated.
Clear. Don't forget to retrieve the gems.
Thanks.
families are in an Area D?
Right. And my brother and I joined the EDF to protect our family. But we weren't even allowed to protect our home.
So the rebellion was to protect your families.
I'm here.
The rebellion is going to save humanity! Resist! Revolt! Rebel!
Wow.
What was that again?
They don't have any agreement with the rebellion, do they?
I guess so.
This is UNN, Universal News Network. Intermittent earthquakes have been occurring around the world. Based on UNN's independent research, the quakes began occurring off the shore of California and have since been moving through Western Canada, Alaska, and Eastern Russia. Because the first recorded quake occurred off the shore of California,
We're in a
where the
cave again.
mega-giant
Yep.
aggressor creature known as Raznid was first spotted, UNN speculates that these earthquakes are occurring as a result of Raznid moving along the bottom of the Pacific Ocean.
With the
We
giant
presented
thing.
our research to the EDF, but they have yet to comment on it. UNN will continue to pursue the truth using our independent network.
Why won't HQ say anything?
I'd say it's because they don't have a clue what's going on either.
Probably.
So okay guys, we'll go to the next part of the video. Next part we're going to the cave C revisited.
Cave complete complex revisited.
Yeah, we're just going back.
I see. Maybe there's something under there.
Yeah, so that's all. I hope you enjoy. So, shall blame. Remember, next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya!